Alright, today we're going to be unboxing and making some spaghetti with meatballs using this air fryer from Havato. So stick with me. This is going to be super easy to make this meal. It's literally going to be 3 ingredients. This is a glass bowl container. It is non-toxic. I have seen these and I've always wanted one, so this is pretty cool to finally get one. It comes with a recipe book if you're into that. If you want to check out some new recipes, there's 8 different settings. Today we're going to just do DIY. We're going to set the time 15 minutes and at 400 degrees for these meatballs. I let these meatballs thaw out for about 30 minutes, and then I'm just going to put them in the air fryer. Make sure you take that little sticker off, reminding you that it's hot. Now, has a little basket at the bottom, which is convenient, and this thing's going to glow red. In about 15 minutes, the meatballs are going to be nice and crispy on the top. No need to turn these. I'm perfectly happy with how they're going to come out. Get yourself some spaghetti in some boiling hot water, and that spaghetti will cook in about the same time as these meatballs, so pretty convenient. So after about 15 minutes, just remove it, and we have some perfectly browned meatballs, nice and tender and healthy. Didn't have to use oil on this one, so pretty stoked about that. You know, trying to eat healthier every single day, right? So if you look in the inside, you can see that the meatball is juicy and it's perfectly cooked. All right, so now that is cooked, this spaghetti is pretty much near done. And what I like to do is use this little strainer by the sink, and I just pour out all the water to get my spaghetti out of there. This is literally the easiest way. If you don't have one of these strainers, you should get one. It's convenient, and it sits right on top of your stove pan. So check it out, and then you can just conveniently pick it up and then just pour it right in. And then we're going to throw all our meatballs in there. I just put mine on the stove so I can just pick. You can dump them all at once if you'd like, you know, whatever's easier. Get yourself some marinara or some type of tomato sauce and go ahead and pour that in. But first, put some garlic butter seasoning. I like this one. This is the brand that I like, and it's pretty good. So go ahead and add it. And then I ended up adding a little bit of water too, just a bit, and then stir it up, and it's nice and ready. Quick meal, and let's give it a taste test. Hopefully this video helped you guys and you like the way I made this quick meal for the fam.
Now time for the best part. Give this a shot. Money. That's good.